Hi, this is Canic61. Just wanted to make a little web project here documenting a repair of a frost-proof faucet. I was told by a plumber it was going to be expensive to replace the faucet, but after searching the web I found a kit at Lowe's. It's a Sillcock valve repair kit. The parts that are defective in your faucet that are making it leak out the top, that's called a vacuum brake assembly. Here I've shown the contents of the kit. You have two different vacuum brake plunger holders. The vacuum brake piston, which is the little round part with the rubber grommet there, and it's very easy to replace. The hard part may be getting the nylon part out of the top of the faucet. The nylon gets old, cracks very easily. There's a removal tool that's shaped like a spline that you can get into that nylon part, and of course turn it counterclockwise, it'll come right out for you. The kit goes in very easily, and you can see the new cap here. Worked great, no leaks, and cost about $4. Good luck with your repair.